Should I cancel Canva? Honestly, I think the answer is yes, because Claude Design and Claude Cowork has basically replaced my whole design stack as a marketer. And I've spent 15 years in marketing, and the one thing I actually paid Canva for was my templates and how quickly I could get some design assets out of it. So in this video, I'll show you what I used Canva for, how I rebuilt all of it in Claude Design and Cowork, and when to use which one. And then a bonus at the end where I show you my vibe coded website for my community, which I built under an hour. So let's get into it. So first, Canva was my go-to for everything. So I was doing slide text, LinkedIn carousels, infographics, thumbnails, display ads, websites, PDFs, anything that needed design. As a marketer who can't design anything, I just used Canva's templates like I think everybody here has done and made them use my own brand colors and fonts and everything. And so that was kind of the hack that saved a lot of my time. And on top of the templates, I also use Canva a lot for this one random thing, which is background removal. So basically, I would take one photo like this one, for example, and then Canva has this background remover feature, which is a paid feature, as you can see here, and it removed the background really easily. So there were so many use cases where I needed this to be done. And if it was not perfect, like you can see here, part of the chair is visible, I can go and do some manual edits as well. So I can erase this as well. And so it's already better. So this weird small feature, I really used it a lot. And that's the main thing I went back to Canva for. And still I'm paying 12 euros per month for it. And the third thing I tried out Canva for was video editing, just when I got started with YouTube. And it was easy to get started, to record my face and my screen, and then to do some really basic editing. And in hindsight, it was horrible for it. Definitely not meant for this. So these are the main things I have used Canva for and paid them for years to use those pro features. And if you're not familiar with Canva, you can set up your brand template there. You can use your brand colors, brand fonts, and everything is really easily accessible. So as you can see here, I have my brand kit set up for AI Marketing Masters and some other brands as well. And it saved me a bunch of time. But the template, as good as it was, we now have Claude Cowork and Claude Design, and it's so much easier to set it up once in there and use it that way. Of course, I'm also paying for Claude Cowork. I have to have a pro plan. It's 18 euros per month, about $20 per month if you're using the monthly plan. I'm actually using the 90 euros per month plan because I'm using it every day so much that I run out of the tokens too easily. But I think this pro plan is quite enough. But if I'm already using this for everything I'm doing every day, then it doesn't make sense to pay for Canva on top of this as well. So I want to show you exactly how I have figured out ways to use Claude Cowork and Claude Design to get all the templates set up and how I keep using them. So one option is to use Claude Design to get the template and then to export that design to Claude Cowork. And then once you're doing the generation, the weekly carousel post, the weekly slide text, whatever, you're doing it inside Claude Cowork. So Claude Design is like a designer that creates the template. Claude Cowork is like the intern that puts all of the right information on the template and gets it to you really quickly. So that's been kind of my workflow so far. And that's because Claude Design is so much better at like creative ideation and coming up with different design options. But Claude Cowork is the everyday workhorse who knows all of the context, everything that's changing. And so it makes more sense that Claude Cowork to generate the daily outputs. So let me show you some of the things that I've done. So first of all, Claude Design is not connected to Claude Cowork. Claude Cowork is only available on Claude desktop app. You can see it here, and you have to have the pro version for this. Claude Design, you have to access in your web browser. So you have to go to claude.ai/design, and you have to be logged in with your same paid account to access it. And unfortunately, right now, they're not directly connected, but it doesn't matter, you can still use them. And I have a feeling they're going to be more connected in the future. But basically, the first thing you have to set up here is the design system. So this is something that you have to take your time for. And if you have this set up, all of your outputs will look exactly like you want them to look like. So once you have the design system figured out, then it looks something like this. There are different logos or icons, different backgrounds that you like, all of the colors, all of the logos, icons, design choices, everything is figured out here, and you can change it when you set it up, or you can change it later on if you like to. So this is all of the basics that it knows about your design, and that's why it's so important to get it set up first. And then once your design system is set up, you can just do whatever project you want to, and it's using that design system. And I can show you some examples. For example, I tried out some YouTube thumbnails. I didn't end up using them. It was kind of like overthinking it, but at least you can see like what kind of outputs it's showing. And it would be great for like a slide deck or something else, but it doesn't really look like YouTube. So I ended up using Claude Cowork to generate YouTube thumbnails instead. So I didn't use any of these templates. But at the same time, I am using this same template that I figured out here for this video background. So all of these slides are automatically generated based on this template that I created in Claude Design. So this has all of these different elements, and Claude Design then put them into my design language. And so this slides template, I can then export. For example, you can export it as a PowerPoint, as a standalone HTML, or you can set it to Claude Code if you're using Claude Code instead of Claude Cowork. And you can set it to Canva as well, but honestly, it's not great. It's going to lose a lot of those design elements. It's kind of wonky. And as I said, I'm just about to cancel Canva. Why should I send it there? So it doesn't make sense. So just export it as a PowerPoint or HTML, and then upload it to your Claude Cowork, create a skill out of it, and it starts using that template all of the time. So that's one of the ways I'm using it. I've also tried to generate some ad creatives just to try it out. For example, different sizes, different design choices. So you can see how it works. And you can make changes to all of this. You can prompt here, but you can also make edits manually. So let's say, I don't like this. Let's say 5 people in the room, whatever. I can get rid of all this. So whatever you want to do, you can change it, you can prompt it, and once you're happy with it, you can just export it and then import it to your Claude Cowork and start using it every time. But as I said, one of those silly things that I still paid Canva for is the background removal. So I went in yesterday and wanted to check out if I can actually do it in Claude as well. So I uploaded this same photo and asked it to remove the background. It first tried to use Higgsfield connector. This is an image generation tool. It actually didn't do that well, but I didn't want to use Higgsfield because I don't want to pay for another tool to replace paid Canva. So I said, now try the same without Higgsfield. Can you do it on your own? And then I got this out of it. Pretty good already, as you can see. Like, let's compare it with the Canva version. You can see it's quite similar, but actually this is better because my hairs are not like all over the place here, but still like part of the chair is showing here. So I just made a screenshot of this part and said like, please remove the black part here. And also I wanted to cut the photo a bit shorter from the bottom up, so about like mid-torso. And then the option that it came up with is this one. So pretty good already. And honestly, then I'm now thinking, why am I still paying for Canva when it has literally replaced everything I'm doing with it, even this stupid one like background removal thing. So now the question is, why am I still paying for Canva? Not totally sure, and I think after this video I'm going to go in and cancel my subscription. And honestly, it's not just that Claude Design and Claude Cowork can replace everything I use Canva for. There are some bonus things as well, because I was actually able to create this new website from my community so quickly. I think it took me like 20 minutes in total to get it up and running. And it's all because I generated with my design system in place, with all of my context known to Claude Cowork already. And it was so quick and so good. Minimal changes needed, and it was honestly way better than Lovable that I used before. So this is also something I generated with Claude Design first, gave it input from Claude Cowork that already has all of my context, all of the memory, everything it needs to know about my target group, what I'm offering, why, what I believe in and what I'm working towards. And that's why it was so easy to get it all set up. And again, how it worked, I just exported the whole thing as a standalone HTML. And then I asked Claude Cowork, how can I set it up? I have already a subscription with Hostinger. I have some sites there, super cheap. So it just walked me through it step by step. It took me maybe 10 minutes to see the new site live. It's pretty amazing. But don't get me wrong, it's still going to be a lot of work to rebuild those templates, to start using them, to figure out the skills needed, to context and everything in Claude Cowork and in Claude Design. But let me tell you, it's so worth it. So if you're thinking about not paying for Canva anymore, then come to the other side and start using Claude Cowork. If you're not sure how to get started, in my aimarketingmasters.com community, there is a free Claude Cowork setup course. And once you get done with that, then you can get the pro tier as well, where you can get all of my skills that you can download to your account as well and start using right away. And also monthly calls where I share all of my latest best practices. I hope you like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.